waiting for you guys. I'm in the rice fields. It's my favorite area, and it is Don Salvador Benedicto. And for today's new video, I'm gonna upload a short video to you guys. It's a mountain driving, and it's an intense mountain driving, and also I'm gonna upload a clips with the highway driving. So with the highway, you have to speed up, but of course you have to be sure your safety first. You have to do the seat belt and anticipate early, and be sure that you are comfortable for what you're doing. So for you guys that who loves my video, you can just watch a longer videos to the membership. Click level 3 and click the join button level 3. So let's go drive, and I'm on the way to the house now, and let's go. Let's press the gas pedal.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.